So here's a tip. Come to Magic Kingdom when there is a Not So Scary party. That being said, it does close at 5, and that's in about an hour from now. However, the wait times reflect that. All of the mountains, including Seven Dwarfs, are 25 or less right now, which is incredible. I'm going to go do Splash, and that's only 20 minutes. So that's what you get on the party days. People don't want to make this their Magic Kingdom day because they can't see the fireworks, and really just can't even stay that late. But if you are going to do the fireworks another night, and maybe just want to, knock out a bunch of rides in Magic Kingdom, come on Not So Scary Day. Never seen Jack taking photos over here.
Hold up there! I want to see this here laughing place old Brer Rabbit's talking
All right, well, now I'll go dry off on Big Thunder. 15-minute wait, which might even be less than that. And then I'll cap off today. I am so drenched from Splash. Definitely the potential to get wet is a lot higher when you don't have someone next to you blocking one of the sides. And that's pretty much what happened. Oh, good timing with the Adventure Cavalcade coming out, and the Country Bears are dancing along. Immediately after they're bringing out the characters for the little hoedown they do here. Now they just started the hoedown, but there was a good 5 minutes there that the characters were just hanging out, and you can kind of just do a little mass meet and greet. Okay, that's incredible. This guy is the partner statue. Wow. So that is the cool thing about coming here right before the party starts as well. You get to see people already in costume. So it's kind of like you're at the Halloween party. Catching Tigger and Pooh as they're leaving their meet and greet. I'm seeing a lot more costumes now as we're only about 20 minutes before the park closes for the regular guests. I gotta say, I've been seeing a lot of Emperor's New Groove love, which is always good. So there definitely is a sweet spot. For example, Seven Dwarfs is 45 minutes right now. Earlier it was 25, but we're 4 minutes from the park closing for the regular guests. So it's kind of like as you get closer, all the guests for Not So Scary come in, and thus the wait times go up. So probably the best wait times are, I don't know, at least 2 hours before the park closes, and then probably earlier than that if people just aren't coming to Magic Kingdom that day. So yeah, you can probably come here decently early and then leave probably maybe an hour and a half or something before the party starts, and get in a lot of rides. So it's 6 o'clock. The park is now closed for regular guests, but here they are still sending out the Mickey and Friends Cavalcade. honestly, good strategy. Kind of brought people with the cavalcade to get them out of the park. Yeah, it's a little crazy over here right now. And there's all the people coming in for the party, heading backstage to get their bags and start having some Halloween fun. Well, that'll do it then. I'm heading out, and in conclusion, you should definitely come here on a day that there's a Halloween party, even if you don't have a ticket for it, just because you can really take advantage of some lower wait times. But it just depends on your trip, you know. If you only have one Magic Kingdom day, then you probably don't want to do that because you'll miss the fireworks. So it really just depends. And I don't know, maybe I'll come back here at some point earlier in the day on a party day and just see how many rides I can actually ride, because I could definitely ridden a lot more rides. I just kind of took it easy. But with those wait times, yeah, I could have knocked a lot of them out. So maybe I'll do that at some point. But yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Bye.